We want to have a contest. Now we are coming back home. We want to have a contest and see who is faster. For sure me. Absolutely. Oh. بعدش کن اینجا. Tonight I want to make ghorme. Ghorme is the traditional food of my city, Mashhad. It is made of meat and some fats. Fresh meat is very important for making this food. Pour the meat and the fat into the pan. We are making beans and ghorme for tonight. We put the meat and fat into the water for at least 1 hour. It depends on the type of your meat, whether it is sheep, lamb or goat meat or cow. The time of boiling is different. And at this stage, we don't add any spice or salt to the food. After 1 hour, we will add the spice and salt. This is our bean, and this is our meat. My lovely and kind sister has bought fresh bread for us. Now it is time to add the flavor and spices to the food. Black pepper, and we add some red pepper, which is spicy and hot, and add some salt. Now we let the food to soak in the oil for a better taste. Now our food is ready. It is ghorme. And there's so many oil in the pan. We love oily food. I'm a real foodie. We just put the bread into the oil. Ow! Ow! It is hot. But now our food is ready. Let's taste it. Now let's taste the food of tonight. And we eat this food with onion. That makes a very great poisonous mixture. God thanks. I hope all the people of the world can have good food and good life. This food should be eaten with hand, not with fork and spoon. And these onions. After spending 2 days in the melodious weather of Zoshk village, now we are coming back home with my dear sister. End of this short trip. We are stuck in the traffic, although it is late in the night.